3, 2, 1, go!
All right, into the autonomous mode as the bots cross across the baseline. They have to travel from the wall where they come in contact at the start of the match. The Blue Alliance has delivered a gear and has started the first rotor turning, giving them 60 points in the autonomous mode as Walton Robotics and 6705 Wildcat 5E are in action. Here comes Walton Robotics and the Wired Cats. Walton leaves the Blue Alliance retrieval zone, headed down to the airship where they're going to deliver that gear to the pilot at the lift station. Both pilots standing by have collected the gear from 2415 in Walton. Now headed back down the field to retrieve some more gears. Each one of those gears that they collect go into a gear set. Those gear sets, when they get them all completed, they crank the rotors. Get them started, each rotor worth 40 points, as the Blue Alliance now has 3 rotors turning. If they can get the 4th rotor turning, they will gain 1 valuable ranking point as well as 40 points for that 4th rotor turning. That's 79 seconds left to go. 6705, 2974, they're all dancing in the red launch pad zone. As 6712, the Mountaineers try to collect the gear from their retrieval zone. IHOT has a gear, trying to deliver it to the pilot station. 1 rotor turning for the Red Alliance, 3 rotors turning for the Blue Alliance. It takes 1 gear to get the first rotor turning, 2 gears to get the second rotor turning. It takes 4 gears placed by the pilots to get the 3rd rotor turning. And if they can get the 4th one turned, it takes 6 gears in a gear set in order to get that one turning. They're continuing to place gears on the gear sets as 6705 travels back down to the airship for the Blue Alliance with another gear, trying to deliver it, get that 4th rotor turning, gaining that 1 valuable ranking point. Could make a difference when we end the day. As we're down to 25 seconds left to go in the match. Still a lot of action taking place as IHOT tries to shoot and score high. They need to get 3 in the upper efficiency goal in order to get 1 valuable point as Walton Robotics climbs up, comes in contact with the pad. 2415, the Wired Cats come in contact with the pad. They both secured themselves a spot for flight. There's the 3rd. Do we have our first triple hang in the match? It looks like we have our first triple hang in the match. As time comes to an end. There we go, a triple hang. The robots must be in contact with the touchpad at T0, which we saw just then as 2974 releases. Triple hang, our first triple hang in the match. We could have a new high score placed here. Our previous high score was 230.